Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the installation quickly. Open File Explorer, enable hidden items, and type %local app data %bec/Roblox in the address bar. Once there, you'll see a versions folder and executables. These hold the client runtime and game assets. Make sure to stop Roblox if it's running so files aren't locked. This step gives you direct access to the files the client uses, which matters because changing or copying from these folders is how you inspect assets and configuration without relying on network tools. Once inside the specific versions folder, look for RBXL or RBXLX place files and RBXM model packages. You'll also find DLL and JSON files that describe behavior. You can duplicate a place file before opening it in Roblox Studio. This preserves the original. Use Studio's File Open or Import to extract models or asset definitions. Make sure to check file timestamps and read-only flags. Changing DLLS or runtime files can break the client, so prefer exporting or copying rather than overwriting. To finalize, always copy target files into a separate workspace and then open them in Roblox Studio. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, export any needed models or assets using Studio's built-in exporter. If Studio won't open a file, reset Studio settings via File Studio Settings or clear %local app data %bec/Roblox logs and caches. Make sure you've closed the client first. If executables or versions are missing or corrupted, reinstall Roblox from the official installer to restore a clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.